Hi girlies, this is Pooja Acharya, your Chief Beauty Officer of Purplle.com. Hey girlies, we all have that little quirk in us, the quirk that society demands we cover up. We've all had that one special color that we wanted to wear but we just couldn't find it. Well, Stay Quirky has us covered with the largest collection of makeup. India's quirkiest brand is revolutionizing the scene one beautiful quirky girl at a time. Whoever said you can't wear foundation every day was wrong. Sure, foundation looks great and acts as the perfect base to create a glamorous look with all your favorite makeup products. Stay Quirky Daily Wear Foundation is built to act as a second skin and a barrier between your skin and the pollutants in the environment. Stay Quirky Daily Wear Foundation is the perfect formula to even out your skin tone and keep your skin looking fresh all day. It's got a super sturdy bottle that fits into your bag with a dispenser, so it's really mess free. And you can put it on with your beauty blender, and it blends perfectly with that. So I also use a silica puff to blend depending on my mood for the day and the finish that I want with my makeup. So the Stay Quirky Beauty Blender is perfect when I want a nice dewy look, and it's nice, soft and fluffy on the skin. So the Stay Quirky Beauty Blender is super soft and fluffy, and it works perfect for the days when you want a nice dewy look. It also kind of helps you get into those corners and nicks and crannies in your face, so you have everything covered. As an option, I use the silica puff. It helps blending seamlessly and there is no product wastage.